Hello everyone, welcome to Joyful Creations. This is Jayashree this side. Thanks for stopping by. In this tutorial, I'm sharing with you a quick way to make a mixed media card with a dark theme. But before we get started, please do subscribe to the channel if you are new here or haven't subscribed yet. Today I'm using Ranger's Craft tag. I am making this tag inspired by Nomadic Souls Diaries challenge theme for this month. Go out and paint the stars. I am using here Celebrations stencil from Expressions Craft. I am just trying to use the stars in the stencil for my background. I am using my homemade texture paste here. If you want to learn how to make it too, I have linked the video in the top right corner for you. Along with adding stars, I am randomly spreading some texture paste around the design as well. Once the texture paste dries, I am starting to build my composition. For this, I thought of using the star and moon as my focal elements to go with the theme. The other elements that I am using are mechanical gears, wings, Roman numbers and border molds. I am trying to create a diagonal composition with these elements and trying to layer them as much as possible for a dimensional look. A lot of you have asked me why make tags. Well, the answer for me is that tags are the best way to experiment with new techniques, new designs, compositions as well as new colors. They are easier and quick to do as the working area is smaller than the canvas. Also, you can use these tags to gift your friends instead of a card. Now here I have adhered everything using hot glue. You may also use your gel medium. I have also covered the whole tag with black gesso. Now since I was following a challenge theme, I am using the colors from their palette as well. I am using here electric violet metallic wax along with blue patina matte wax. I am starting with the violet color and applying it with my finger all over the tag as my base color. I am simply taking some wax on my finger, then rubbing excess off on the cap and then applying it on my tag and blending it. I am switching with the blending brush so that I can get into the layers between the embellishments. Next, I am using the patina blue color and just highlighting the high points of the embellishments along with the star design in the background on the tag. I am also bringing in some vintage gold metallic wax to add a differentiating color tone to my embellishments. The list of all the products used is given in the description box below in case you want to know. Also, please hit the thumbs up button if you are enjoying watching this tutorial. Once I am satisfied with the colors, I am using art stones in the size mega and regular. I am taking them out in a bowl and adding some spray paint in the color bluish grey, which also looks like a dull purple color. I am then drying these stones with the heat tool. Next, I am simply using my craft glue to adhere these here and there randomly. You can also use your gel mediums to do so. quickly with my heat tool so that I can add some wax colors on the stones as well. I'm starting with violet first and then patina blue. I'm using a very soft hand to do so. Next, I'm adding some sentiment words to the tag which read dream, believe and shine. Lastly, I am adhering my tag on a chipboard and then adding some jute twine to finish my tag. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial and are inspired to make your own mixed media tags. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching the tutorial and subscribe to the channel before you go. Until next time, stay home, stay safe and keep crafting. Bye bye.